Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to access your equalizer on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So if you're a person who is playing music a lot and you like to tweak or use equalizer on your phone to fine tune your music sound, then this is a perfect way for you. So go ahead and do a swipe up and tap on settings, right? And if you're not able to find settings, you can use a search there and simple type in settings. You'll find it and just tap on that. Then you want to scroll all the way down to where you'll find sounds and vibration. You want to tap on that. Then scroll down again to where you'll find sound quality and effects. Tap on that. Then here you'll find equalizer here, and most times you will see set as normal. So you can tap on it and you'll have much more options. So you can change it from normal to pop or to classic, jazz, rock, or you can use the custom, right? And you can go ahead and play with whatever you want and just listen to your music, make those tweak to your liking, right? And this is all there is to it, guys. This is how you can access the equalizer in your Samsung Galaxy or your Android phone. If you find this useful, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you'll become a part of this community. Greatly appreciate that. Thank you very much and see you next time.